All right, guys, I got a good one for you tonight. Here it is, honey butter cracked chicken tenders. All right, check it out. Fried up nice golden brown, got a honey butter glaze over the top of them, and I promise you, that right there is crunchy. And that's top shelf right there. All right, let's get to it. So, here's what I've done. I've marinated my chicken tenders, all right, overnight. I marinated them in buttermilk, a couple of tablespoons of pickle juice, Cajun seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper. All right, I marinated that overnight. It's looking great right now, looking top shelf. All right, but let's go ahead and get to breading. What I've done is I went ahead and got my all up to 350. Got my all up to 350. Let's go ahead and get this breading going. All right. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put a half cup of cornstarch in there. There's that. We have a teaspoon of black pepper going in. We're gonna get right here. All right. We're gonna get 2 teaspoons of paprika. If I can get it to come out, like so. I'm gonna go get 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Now, in my opinion, you can't ever have enough garlic powder, but for this recipe, we're gonna do 1 teaspoon, like such. 1 teaspoon. Now, I'm gonna go with some slobber knocker, all right? Southern Boys Outdoors, Southern Boys Seasoning, slobber knocker, great stuff, especially when you go into it like this with seasoning, your breading and that sort of thing, all right? So we're gonna hit this with 2 tablespoons. A little extra ain't gonna hurt nothing. Promise you, all right? That slobber knocker is fire now. Go ahead and get ready. It's gonna be something. Now, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take my whisk and I'm gonna get it around good. Go ahead and get that dude good and mixed up. And what I like to do with my little breading bowl here, my batter, Cajun Injector Batter Pro Bowl. Take it and just give it a good mix there. Alright, go ahead and knock that down. Now, we're gonna go with the chicken. Let's get it in there. Get it going good. This will be the first round of chicken here. And by the way, just so you know, I'm cooking it with peanut oil over here. You can cook it with vegetable oil, whatever kind of oil you want. I just normally have, because I fry so much fish, I normally have a good bit of peanut oil around. So that's what I'm cooking it with. Now, go ahead and get them battered up good. All right, that's the first round. Now see, yeah, got them good and going. Now I'm gonna take just some buttermilk and I poured a little bit of my marinade in here with my buttermilk. And I'm gonna take it and we're gonna go another round with it. We're gonna do it one more time. Oh, that's gonna be so good. I'm gonna go one more. Now, once I get it done in here with one more round of breading, I'm going in the oil. Yep. My oil's steady at about 350, maybe a little under it. Not too much though. And here we go. Y'all saw that? You gotta watch yourself, that'll get you. Been one of those days, people. Y'all ever had one of them where it all just wants to go crazy on you? Alright, so here they are. There's my chicken tenders. Now let's watch them go in this oil right here. Oh yeah. That's gonna be top shelf right there. Gotta love the bubble. While my chicken tenders are frying, I went ahead and I melted a half stick of butter. We're gonna make the glaze for them, all right, for the honey butter glaze. All right, so what we got going on now is we got a half stick of butter. I'm gonna take a 1/4 cup of honey. Get that in there. Right there, get stirring it good. Now I'm using some sriracha, Yellowbird, Blue Agave sriracha. It's top shelf item. So I'm gonna use that. We're gonna do about a teaspoon. All right, gonna get that in good. Now next, I'm gonna go with my mango pineapple jelly. This is really good too. It's I found this down at Salt and Sand Barbecue, and I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys, it's good. It's real good. I'm gonna put me a little bit in there with a few peppers, a couple tablespoons of it. All right. Now I'm gonna come back with some garlic powder, about a teaspoon garlic powder. Got to give it that. And I'm going back with some slobber knocker. I mean, that's good stuff. I'm gonna get me about a teaspoon, maybe half a teaspoon of it. All right. I'm gonna get it all mixed up good. What you think about that? Now, when those dudes get ready and come out, oh yeah, look at that. That's gonna be good right there. Got it good and mixed up. All right, checking in on them here. Yeah, they coming along. Starting to brown up. Everything looking good. There's the finished product. Look at it. Oh boy, that looks top shelf right there. Good and crispy. Now that's top shelf.